The socks too. The socks too. Just kidding. Put it back on.
Hey, I crossed my fingers. I was like, yo, this weather out here has been hella retarded lately. Look at this. Look at them dark ass cows over there. Jesus. Just pulled up to the spot. About to get my rims.
These will look like chrome.
Damn. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the vlog. We got picked up the rims. Oh my god, you guys. Ooh, they look so freaking mint. Hold on. Just look at it. I can't get over this. I'm literally on my way right now to the tire shop to get these mounted. I'm ready to get these mounted already to the BMW. They're gonna look sick. I'm gonna pass you guys over there right now. So we just picked up the BMW. We're about to head over to America's Tire, all the way over there. Yes, sir. Bro, I'm so hyped. I've never been this hyped before, bro. You guys have no idea. This is about to be sick. I'm ready because in person, that color shines so hard. And it's crazy because you don't see it because of like the weather it is. Oh, now it's sunny. This weather's stupid as heck, but when it's sunny, it's like fire. I already know because like when I had the wheel tilted at an angle and it hit the sun, fire. I'm excited, man. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Look at this. Joyriding my car, my daily. Look at him. But yeah, the rims about to go on here real soon. Hell yeah. They're all right there. What'd you say?
It's all funny days that you get gas by a fucking Honda.
Never have I ever. Still got it on. Yeah. Oh my god. I need my fender ASAP. Alright, let me talk a little bit about the rims. These are Moss VS 8.2s. Running 19 by 9 in the front, 19 by 10 in the rear. And I got them, honestly I got them on Facebook. Look at the fitment. Hold on, just for a second. Peep that. My little brother was playing with the thing because I also bought the BMW weighted ones. So when you spin it, it goes right back. This is gonna look sick for some rollers. But yeah, 19 by 9 in the front, 19 by 10 in the rear, wrapped in some Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. Clean. Look at that. Look at the girth. So from here, the next thing I'm gonna do, I need H&R lowering springs in the front. I'm gonna show you the front fitment in a little bit. And then I'm getting my fenders. I need to get my fenders rolled and pulled because I am rubbing, as you can see. I'm rubbing. I need to get these rolled and pulled. And that's about it. Need a front one because this height is unacceptable. This height is unacceptable for the rear. Looking for that, not acceptable. So I gotta get that addressed ASAP. Whole thing. The rears, I feel like the rears look like a hella aggressive concave due to the fact that those are they're 19 by 10s compared to the 19 by 9s. But these have a concave too. Look at them from the side, and they come out like that. But those are stupid deep. But yeah, pretty good deal. Unfortunately, this company Moss isn't in business anymore, so they don't make these rims anymore. Not available anywhere. So sucks, but that's kind of why I got them, you know, be one of the few people that actually still has these type of rims. I got them for a steal too, and yeah, that's how it sits. Oh, and tire size, obviously I'm running 265 35 19 in the rear, and in the front 225 35. So yeah, that needs to get addressed. Lowering springs. For you guys that don't really know yet, I full sanded everything. I got my bolt-ons, I got charge pipe, down pipe, intercooler. I already have my intakes, everything, and I'm flashing it. I'm trying to get this car ready for Eurofest 2020, March 28th. You guys gonna be there? Catch me there. I'm gonna be there with my car, trying to get in the show. We'll see. Who knows? But yep. And now all I gotta do is just take these wheels out and put them over there with my stock runs. gonna keep the stocks just in case one of them gets a flat or blow out something, since these cars don't have a spare. Yeah, and you got my work shoe up front, up the top. That's gonna be a wrap on today's vlog. You know, it was a cool little vlog. You feel me? Got my tires mounted, everything, and it was just a sick ass day. I can't believe I did all that today. But yeah, I love how it's sitting clean. So yeah, I'm gonna throw you guys over to day 2. Low life. Ooh. Damn, that low life though. VIP bill coming soon. You got Drew's car, my car. You feel me? It's a car work day. Cloudy day, but look what we got going on right here. Oh yeah, boys. Ooh, sneak peek what we got installing today. Let's get her going. What's going on, everybody? I hope everybody's having a beautiful day. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to my channel. Damn, we've been gone for a minute. I know everybody's gonna like basically hate me because I was like lagging it on videos, saying I'm uploading and a bunch of stuff, but I had a lot of stuff going on, man. I had school, work, and then everything just started piling up all the time. I had no time to work on my car, and plus on top of that, I had to chill it because I was, as you can see, I got my new rims on it, and I need my fenders rolled. I need fenders rolled. I don't even know if that'll still be enough. Maybe a pool, or I can just add some camber to it. I'm still trying to figure it out. You know, fitment. It's always gonna be like that here and there, but we'll get that done as soon as we can. But yeah, car is jacked up. Let's get you guys onto the video. Got a couple homies coming here tonight, or right now actually, and we'll see what we can get ourselves into. Pass you guys over to the next clip. All right, guys. So quick update. I'm doing my downpipes. I took off these. I took off that little bracket that always strips over there, and now I gotta take off one little bracket. I think it's this one. It's one of these that holds up the down. Oh, I found it. It's that one right there. That holds up the downpipe, right there to the frame. Gotta take that one out. After that, I gotta somehow get to the V-bend over there. Should be some fun. Got the downpipes out. Shout out to the homie Jerry for pulling through.
What's up? All right.
That's a small one, I think.
Yep.
Let me get that one. And then, yeah. As you can see, I've been out here for a minute. I had to do the O2 now. Alright, so we just swapped over the O2 sensors from the OEM downpipe onto the catalyst downpipe. We did all that. Homie Jerry helped me. So if you guys don't have the tool, I'd recommend just getting an adjustable wrench. Be careful because you will strip, because look, you see that? You will somewhat strip it. If you don't get a good angle, you just put it on there like that, find the right spot, and you just fucking give one good ass kick. And that's how you get the O2s out without the O2 tool, or just buy the O2 tool. Make it a lot easier. And yeah, about to put these on the car. Yes sir, everything already out the way. Got almost everything off. And last, it's my charge pipe blow-off valve. I didn't really vlog this one because I was too busy concentrating doing it. I'm not good at vlogging and selling parts. It's not for me. I just like doing my shit and not really caring about it. So yeah, that's that. And it's going on right now. See that smoke? Burning off all the oil that was on the downpipes. Die, but damn. Such a nice idle. Look at my little brother. Yeah. Already burned off all the oil. Well, I think it's still burning. You can see it. Look at it. Still see all the oil that's burning out. And let it sit for a little bit. All that. Yeah. Alright guys, let me give you guys a little test run. Just to hear the sound of it. This boy. You guys, this car sounds really like amazing. With the blow-off valve, the catless downpipe, such a good combination. It's so much louder, you can. And you can tell it just opened up the car. It made it an animal. Like, this is an empty street, so we'll give it some juices. Like, this car is an animal now. Oh my god. Best decision I've ever made. Catless downpipes. Intercooler coming soon.